Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
So we did receive a healthy amount of rainfall over the past 24 hours, and some of that unfortunately turned into ice when we saw some of those temperatures drop below freezing, and we're still seeing that early this morning. But just like we forecasted, we saw the heaviest amount of rainfall off into the rolling plains, nearing almost 2 inches in some spots with locally higher amounts. So beneficial rainfall, but the bad news, we had that ice on the roads, and we're still seeing that early this morning. Satellite and radar over the past 3 hours now pushing the system off to our north and to our east. Good news is, at least here in Lubbock, not worrying about any freezing rain potential, but we're still watching some freezing rain in portions of Turkey and Childress. Same thing in Paducah and Matador. One thing to note about this radar picture, it's showing green across the area and even some yellow and orange, indicating some heavier downpours. It's noticing that it's not really freezing rain, but when we take a look at the surface temperatures, and when they're below freezing or at freezing, it is some freezing rain. So even though radar is showing, hey, we're not having freezing rain, yeah, we're still having that. There's a little bit of a discrepancy with some of this technology, especially as the radar beam goes way up in the atmosphere. The temperatures may be above freezing, but at the surface, they're still pretty chilly. Still noticing some heavy to moderate rainfall in Jayton and Spur, including Snyder. At least here in the hub city, not waking up to any rainy conditions this morning, but still waking up to cold conditions as well. Good news is Lubbock at 33 degrees, just above that threshold of 32 degrees, but the rest of the South Plains and rolling plains below freezing. 32 degrees in Paducah, Spur, and even Jayton. So where we had that green shading is actually going to be some freezing rain. So keep that in mind. We did have a winter weather advisory for much of the South Plains. Most of that has been canceled. Still left over is some of our eastern counties up until 8 o'clock this morning. So that means that we're still going to have some slick conditions. But by this afternoon, temperatures are going to rise up pretty nicely. Later on this morning, already above freezing for many of us, so that's the good news. Roads will still be wet, but at least we don't have to worry about any ice forming. But early this morning, if you're leaving early, take your time on the roads. We are noticing some ice not only on the roads, but also on your car as well. So make sure you defrost your car, get all of that ice off before you hit the roads. Take your time and leave a lot of space between you and the person in front of you, and try to avoid the loop and bridges and overpasses as well. Post live sky view showing those wet roads and with temperatures below freezing, even some icy conditions, maybe still a few lingering showers left over by later on this morning. But then what happens is, as the system slowly pulls away, it's going to pull the clouds with it. Then we're going to be left with abundant sunshine by this afternoon, and temperatures will quickly rise up into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Bad news is clear conditions tonight will allow temperatures to drop very quickly, well below freezing, which means any residual rainfall on the roads will turn into black ice. We'll have to deal with that patchy black ice potential by later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. For today, though, a high temperature of 58 degrees. We will have some morning clouds. Will clear out by this afternoon. Winds, though, will be on the increase. They'll be sustained out of the southwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Black ice potential again tonight and tomorrow morning as temperatures fall below freezing. We'll have a light northeasterly wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, hinting that a cold front is going to pass on through, and you'll definitely notice by tomorrow it's going to be a lot colder. High temperatures expected to be in the upper 40s and lower 50s, mid 40s by Sunday. And another thing you'll notice about this weekend and next week is we're not as warm as we were this past weekend and last week as well, or this past week. So watching for cooler temperatures, even the rain potential Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. For now, though, going to be focused on this morning, still some wet roads and some temperatures below freezing, which means some slick roads, icy conditions, and take your time.
And you were saying even though the sunshine is coming out, we're still not in the clear yet. Black ice overnight as well.
Yeah, exactly. So it'll be warm again today, but then by tonight, temperatures drop below freezing. So black ice potential again, even though it's not going to be raining.
Still something we really need to worry about.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Kellyanne.